Kim is in the house. Empanada taste test. Basta ng manok. Aking gigs ka mo.
Kuya, Madam Sir Donat. Sabi naman daw,
Bill out? Buti ka dito, sabi ka shout eh. Kanina ko baka shout na ka.
sinabi mo na lang?
Yeah. Bakit naman no? Asim? Parang ito lang. So guys, magsasurf kami. But first, we're gonna have breakfast here in our hostel. Wow, Jenny! Dapat daw ng 7-Eleven. Look guys. Nakikita niyo ba yan?
Ano po yung night train?
Magtatanong-tanong kami about the service. Kasi the plan was mag-breakfast muna. Kaso, change of plans kasi 8:30 pa daw yung breakfast. So ngayon, punta kami 7-Eleven. Magtatanong kami kung what time yung service. Kami. Full house beach kasi we're gonna ask about surfing, yes.
Or ang pang-couple yung
Kaya ba nagtatanong-tanong kasi nag-couple ka? Si Kuya Mia. Ako din, soon. Over. Kaya hanapin kami na someone.
Look at that waves!
Wow! Morning! Tingin. Mix na lang. Taste test. Pero may buko pan. Buko pan
Kasi mga sila sa picture.
Sarap.
Set na lang next.
For the extra pandan.
Hello.
Parang mas gusto ko yung white. Saan tayo pupunta? Right now, we're going to Kapsat. Oh, kita-kita ako ha. We're going to Kapsat and then we're just gonna tampay.
Na naman ng mga Duninel. So we're here at San Juan. Right? San Juan. Going to Palawan. Yes. Palawan po, Chap.
Now we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna have lunch sa Merienda. And it's gonna be late lunch. So we're that we extend kasi they're sell out. So yeah, we're going now to Merida and we're gonna try the famous but what do you call that?
Kare-kare
The kare-kare